Are you ready to uncover some of the world's best-kept travel secrets? From remote islands to hidden deserts, these destinations offer unique experiences and stunning beauty. Join me as we journey to the far corners of the globe, exploring places where nature reigns supreme. Our planet is a tapestry of diverse landscapes, each with its own story to tell. In this series, we'll venture off the beaten path, seeking out hidden wonders. These secret places offer a glimpse into the raw beauty and untamed spirit of our planet. From the icy plains of the Arctic to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, prepare to be captivated by these hidden gems. Let's begin our adventure, shall we? Deep in southern Chile, the Aysén region is a sanctuary where glaciers carve valleys and turquoise rivers rush through untouched forests. The Isle of Egg, a gem in the Inner Hebrides, boasts dramatic cliffs, white sand beaches, and a commitment to sustainable living. In the high Arctic, between Norway and the North Pole, lies Svalbard, a land of glaciers and polar bears. Socotra Island, with its bizarre dragon's blood trees and ancient landscapes, appears like a world untouched by time, evolving in isolation. Sculpted by the North Atlantic, the Faroe Islands rise, their cliffs and waterfalls a testament to nature's power. The Lofoten Islands, with jagged peaks, picturesque fishing villages, and the northern lights, are a photographer's dream. Rising from the Amazon, Mount Roraima, a tabletop mountain shared by 3 nations, is a testament to ancient forces shaping our planet. High in the Himalayas, Bhutan, the land of the thunder dragon, offers a glimpse into a culture rooted in Buddhist traditions. In the Ethiopian highlands, Lalibela holds a sacred secret churches carved into rock, a testament to devotion and artistry of a bygone era. Nestled in Montenegro's dramatic fjords, Kotor, with its ancient walls and charming harbour, offers a glimpse into a medieval world. High in the Indian Himalayas, in the remote Spiti Valley, Tabo Monastery holds a treasure ancient Buddhist murals vibrant with colour, often called the Sistine Chapel of the Himalayas. Perched atop towering sandstone pillars, the Meteora monasteries defy gravity, offering a glimpse into faith and solitude amidst breathtaking landscapes. Palawan, with its turquoise waters, pristine beaches and lush jungles, is a haven for marine life and untouched nature. The Gobi Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes and rugged mountains, whispers ancient stories on the wind. Tasmania, an island off Australia, is a world apart, where ancient rainforests meet rugged coastlines and unique wildlife thrives. 15 secret places around the world waiting to be explored. Pack your bags and embark on an adventure of a lifetime. From the icy plains of Svalbard to the beaches of Palawan, from Bhutan to the rock churches of Lalibela, the world is filled with hidden wonders. So what are you waiting for? Adventure awaits.